Welcome to part 3 of our eDMS manual. This time naman, I will show you how to uh, sync your file or eDMS in the Google Drive so that safe yung iyong file or naka-backup siya online and ma-access mo siya anywhere. So all we have to do is, of course, go to our browser and let us search for Google backup and sync. Search natin yung online version or download. Ayan, officially from Google. So all we have to do is just ito yun. Click lang natin yan. Then download. And then agree and download tayo. So i-download natin ngayon yung ating Google Backup and Sync. Mag-i-install ngayon sa ating computer si Backup and Sync ng ating Google. Yan. So mag-download siya ng installer. After niya mag-download ng installer, ay install natin si Backup and Sync. After that, open natin yung installer ng ating Backup and Sync. Click natin yung yes. Ida-download niya ngayon yung installer. Then after niya ngayong ma-download yung installer, yan 9 hours, ang tagal nun ha. After niya ngayong ma-download yan, i-install niya sa ating computer, 17 minutes, 15. Then after na install, lalabas ngayon yan sa ating taskbar sa baba. So ang gagawin lang natin sa tabihan ng ating calendar, date. Ang gagawin lang natin ay right click lang natin yung icon, yan. And then under preferences, magla-login tayo actually. Then after tayo nakapag-login sa backup and sync, ang mangyayari na ay ayan. So ito na ngayon yung ating pinaka interface ng Google Backup and Sync. Sorry, yan. So ang gagawin na natin ngayon ay yung ating eDMS folder, iba-backup na natin sa ating drive kung saan ginamit natin yung email ng ating school o kaya ng pwede personal o I would recommend using your school email. So after nating mag-login ay ayan, so nag-login tayo. May mga settings diyan. Ayan. So I would recommend under settings, i-check natin ito lahat. Ayan. Para automatic si computer once connected tayo sa internet, iba-backup niya yung ating folder. And then ito naman Google Drive is from the drive down to your computer. So I don't recommend syncing my drive to this computer because hindi naman importante na parang baliktad. I want my computer to be backed up online. So dito tayo ngayon sa settings. Ang gagawin lang natin ay click natin yung choose folder and then hanapin natin ngayon yung folder kung saan nakalagay yung ating eDMS files, yung files natin. Ito yon. So i-select ko lang, nakalagay siya sa drive D, di ba? Kanina nakaset tayo. Nakaset tayo na sa drive D siya. Click natin yung my school eDMS files and then select folder. Ang mangyayari ngayon, whatever is inside my school eDMS files na folder, ay i-back-up niya online doon sa Google Drive. Okay. Ayan, so bina-validate pa niya yung folder. After niya na-validate yung folder, ay isi-sync na niya yan doon online sa ating Google Drive. So we're done. Click lang natin yung okay, but before that, ayan, pag nag-remove tayo ng files, pwede tayong ayan, mas maganda at before removing both copies para may option tayo. Then click natin yung okay. After that, kung papasok tayo doon sa ating Google Drive, punta tayo sa Google Drive natin, titingnan natin ngayon kung nandoon na ang laman ng ating eDMS file. Balik lang tayo sa preference. Under, ayan, my laptop 1. Actually, yung pangalan niya, my laptop 1. Kaya tingnan natin ngayon sa Google Drive. Pasok tayo sa Google Drive, click lang natin yung icon, nakapag-login tayo, Drive. And then, punta tayo sa computers. Kapag binuksan natin yan, ay papasok dyan yung files which is being back up now. Ayan. So, nagsisync pa yung ating drive. Hindi pa niya na-sync lahat. So, hintayin lang natin in a few minutes. Refresh lang natin, reload lang natin. Ayan, so ito na yung isa na nandoon sa ating eDMS folder. Reloading. Ayan, dalawa na. So, yan yung nakascan doon. So, anywhere tayo, basta tayo ay online, at noong mag-scan tayo ay online yung ating computer, automatic iba-back up yun ng eDMS o isisync yun ng Google Drive doon sa drive, yung folder na nandoon sa ating computer. So, that's how eDMS works for us. So, imagine if we have lots of files inside eDMS, all we have to do is just search for the file. Madaling hanapin siya. So magagamit natin si eDMS for presentation of MOVs sa ating SBM validation and at the same time sa management ng ating document at the school level and at the same time pwede natin siyang maging storage for our filing system. So that's how you do it. For any other questions, queries about eDMS, feel free to comment down and please don't forget to like and share our video, and of course, huwag na rin kalimutang mag-subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.